No. Mom!
Grandma, you better put that up.
Guys, come on, show us the garage.
Oh my God. Making memories, guys. We're making memories. Oh, jeez.
Part 5.
What are you doing? Oh, where's everybody else? Oh my God. We're making memories, Pebbles! Oh, okay.
You want anything special? Bread?
Not really. I guess, why are you, everybody, probably, maybe some people might want some bread.
Okay. Okay, be back.
Okay.
Go and take that one.
All right. No, you guys cut it. I wish I got that.
Go get those.
You're gonna.
Fracking ballsy! I want to love her.
Let's go see what Cheryl's doing. Let's go make memories with her. Okay. Okay, say goodbye, you guys.
Hold on, wait, Popo style.
Don't.
Not like that.
Eggs, get off the car.
Peace out.